Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to install Rizoma cut-edge bar-end mirrors on this street triple here behind me. Basically, it's going to be the same install no matter what kind of bike you have, and these will work on both 7/8 and 1-inch handlebars. Now, Rizoma is a premium product, so it's going to be on the higher end of things price-wise, but you're going to get a great billet mirror with a ton of adjustability. You can kind of whip that thing around and get it in the perfect spot for yourself. And it's really going to clean up that handlebar area where those ugly stock mirrors perch. This is going to give you a great new look, and you're still going to be able to see behind you, which of course is very important. Now, any tools you're going to need, we're going to put in the description down below. The first thing we need to do is get rid of those stock mirrors, so let's get to turning wrenches. Oh, this thing's stuck. Of course, Pat's got to have bullshit in the way. You're more than likely going to have something in the end of your bar, whether it's a plastic plug or a bar end or something like this. Right now, we need to go ahead and take that out. So we already have an insert in the end of our bar end that we can use to mount our mirror. If you don't have that and it's just hollow there, you're gonna have to use one of the inserts that comes with the kit. Basically, you're gonna slide this in here, a little tapered piece. You're gonna slide inside that, and as you thread the screw in there that holds the mirror, it'll expand and tighten up. The only thing to remember here is you don't want this tight up against your throttle tube. Otherwise, you're gonna have some cruise control that you don't want. So I'm gonna take a 5mm Allen. We're gonna install the mirror on the end of the bar. Now I'm gonna keep the arm side of the mirror pointing forward because that's how we want it for our final adjustment. So like we talked about in the introduction, there's plenty of adjustability in this mirror. You're gonna need a 4mm Allen to get it set in your final spot. Pretty simple installation for a lot of added value, in my opinion. The whole thing took us less than 5 minutes. If you're looking for more information on these mirrors, go ahead and hit that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's gonna take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about these mirrors. Still looking for more information? Feel free to call our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.